Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything related to fertility, pregnancy, and motherhood. Today, we're talking about how to conceive quickly. Whether you're looking to start a family or expand it, the journey to conception can be a long and emotional one. But don't worry, there are a number of steps you can take to help increase your chances of getting pregnant as soon as possible. Track your ovulation. One of the most important things to understand when trying to conceive is your menstrual cycle. By tracking your ovulation, you can determine the best time to have intercourse to increase your chances of getting pregnant. Ovulation typically occurs around day 14 of your menstrual cycle, but it can vary from woman to woman. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and reducing stress can all help improve your fertility and increase your chances of conceiving quickly. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep are also important factors to consider. Use lubricants wisely. While lubricants can make intercourse more comfortable, some of them can actually decrease your chances of getting pregnant by reducing sperm motility. It's important to use a fertility-friendly lubricant or avoid lubricants altogether if you're trying to conceive. Have sex at the right time. Having intercourse during your fertile window, which is the time around ovulation when you're most likely to conceive, is key to increasing your chances of getting pregnant quickly. It's best to have sex every other day during this time to ensure there's a high concentration of sperm in your reproductive tract. Seek medical advice. If you've been trying to conceive for 6 months or more, it may be time to see a fertility specialist. They can help identify any underlying issues that may be preventing you from getting pregnant and provide you with the necessary treatments to increase your chances of conceiving. In conclusion, conceiving quickly can be a challenge, but by taking the right steps, you can increase your chances of getting pregnant. Remember to track your ovulation, maintain a healthy lifestyle, use lubricants wisely, have sex at the right time, and seek medical advice if necessary.